लिए बहुत बहुत आभार. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now move further and present the National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Awards 2025. The Ministry of Ayush has instituted the National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Awards conferred annually on Ayurveda Day to honor eminent Vedyas and Ayurveda experts for their outstanding contributions and to motivate them to adopt and promote best practices in the pursuit of excellence. Each award carries a citation, a trophy, and a cash reward of rupees 5 lakhs. 3 awards are conferred every year. May I please request the Honorable Chief Guest to kindly please present these awards. सर्वप्रथम शुरुआत करते हैं. आमंत्रित करते हैं प्रोफेसर बनवारी लाल गौर जी को, an erudite scholar, prolific author and distinguished academician from Jaipur, Rajasthan, devoted over 60 years to Ayurveda and Sanskrit. He earned his MD Ayurveda, MA Sanskrit, Diploma in German, PhD from Rajasthan University and Doctor of Literature from Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Rajasthan Ayurveda University, Jodhpur. As academician, administrator and chairman of national and international committees, he has supervised 24 PhD scholars and guided 48 postgraduates. For his outstanding scholarship, mentorship and lifelong service, Ministry of Ayush is honoring Professor Banwari Lal Gaur with National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award. Many congratulations to Professor Banwari Lal Gaur. And here is a check, ladies and gentlemen, of rupees 5 lakhs. Kartal Dhwani sabhi ki aur se Professor Banwari Lal Gaur, the National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. We move on and now we'll be presenting the award to Ashtavadyan Neelakantan Moose E.T., who is an eminent scholar, physician and torchbearer of Kerala's Ayurvedic tradition, who completed his BA MS from Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, Kerala University. He is MD and Chief Physician of Vaidyaratnam Group, a renowned institution carrying forward a 200-year-old legacy in Ayurveda. With visionary leadership, he heads a team of 100+ physicians serving thousands of patients annually. A revered guru of Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapeeth, he has mentored generations of scholars and contributed as a member of Executive Board of ATAB. Ministry of Ayush is honoring him with the National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award 2025. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Ashtavadyan Neelakantan Moose E.T. A big round of applause, the citation, check, memento. This is the National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award 2025. Many congratulations to Ashtavadyan Neelakantan Moose. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सर. आगे बढ़ते हैं और ये जो अगला अवार्ड है वो जाता है Vaidya Bhavna Parashar ko, a distinguished scholar and researcher who is an alumna of the University of Bombay and Gujarat Ayurveda University, Jamnagar. For over 25 years, she has advanced Ayurveda through her work at CSIR, where she served as Senior Principal Scientist, Principal Investigator of the Ayush Center of Excellence for Ayur Genomics at CSIR, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, New Delhi, and Professor at Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research. A pioneer of Ayur Genomics, she has provided genomic and molecular basis to Prakriti and Tridosha, discovered predictive health markers, and developed AI/ML-based algorithms for Prakriti analysis. Many congratulations. She has delivered lectures at national and international forums, including the WHO, honored with National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award. A round राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर वैद्य भावना पराशर। जोरदार तालियां वैद्य भावना पराशर के लिए और सभी धन्वंतरी आयुर्वेद अवार्ड के विजेताओं के लिए करतल ध्वनि से आइए हम सभी लोग इन्हें सम्मानित करते हैं और अपना प्रेम इन तक पहुंचाते हैं।